I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the extent of bubbling. Press gently to confirm loose paint. Next, remove furniture and cover floors with drop cloths so dust won't settle everywhere. Once done, open windows and run a fan. You need airflow to dry and disperse fumes. Put on a respirator and goggles. This isn't optional because scraping creates particles. Then score the bubbled edges lightly to reveal the boundary. This helps when you lift and remove the failing paint later. You'll now remove all compromised paint. Use a putty knife or 40-80 grit scraper, working at a low angle so you don't gouge the drywall. After scraping, sand the perimeter to feather the transition. This encourages adhesion for the patch and keeps the finish invisible. Once smooth, clean the wall with a trisodium phosphate solution or mild detergent to remove oils and dust. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry completely. If the substrate is soft or damaged, you're ready to prime. Choose a stain-blocking adhesion primer and coat the repaired area fully. Primer seals moisture and creates a uniform surface for paint. Make sure to follow dry times. Primers need time to cure before top coats. When painting, apply thin, even coats with a roller or brush and allow proper drying between coats to avoid trapping moisture. Finally, monitor the area for 48-72 hours. If bubbles reappear, lift a small section and check for trapped moisture or poor adhesion. Address by stripping, drying, and using a high-quality water-resistant primer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.